output. Okay, so this implies dx is equal to ds upon alpha minus t. Okay, so mxt is equal to alpha to the power r upon, after putting this value here, what will be the integral? So this will be gamma r 0 to infinity s upon alpha minus t to the power r minus 1 e to the power s ds. Okay. Now you can take this part common, alpha to the power r gamma r. Okay. So take this outside. So but ds is alpha minus t already. We have forgot this alpha minus t. So what will be after taking outside? What we will get? Alpha minus t to the power r gamma r. Okay. So 0 to infinity s to the power r minus 1 to the power minus s ds. What is this? Can you tell me? Alpha to the power r, alpha minus t to the power r gamma r. What is this? This is gamma r. This is gamma r. तो गामा आर से गामा आर कैंसिल आउट हो गया. ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज mxt? अल्फा अपॉन अल्फा माइनस t to the power r. You first notice one thing here. देखो ये वाली चीज ना पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए. तो इफ दिस इज अल्फा माइनस टी इज पॉजिटिव हियर. ओके, because substitution we are taking, it has to be this alpha minus t is positive. That means alpha is greater than t. Okay. So so we in this way we can calculate moment generating function of gamma distribution.